Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How aerodynamic wheel designs will shape 2025 cars. Wheels do more than just roll. They shape how cars cut through the air. For 2025 vehicles, aerodynamic wheel designs are becoming essential, pushing performance and efficiency to new levels. These innovations aren't just about aesthetics. They reduce drag and save fuel. With stricter emission standards and the rise of electric cars, every detail matters. If you've ever wondered how something as simple as a wheel can drive progress, you're in the right place. Benefits of aerodynamic wheels. Aerodynamic wheels aren't just high-tech accessories, they're a crucial part of modern car design. By reducing drag and improving performance, they help cars move smarter, not harder. Let's explore how these wheels boost efficiency, stability, and overall driving dynamics. Reduced air resistance. Air resistance, or drag, is a car's invisible enemy. It pushes back against forward motion, forcing engines to work harder and burn more fuel. Picture riding a bike into a strong headwind. That's drag in action. Aerodynamic wheels fight back by slicing through the air more efficiently. Their design reduces turbulence around the wheel area, smoothing the airflow and minimizing resistance. Features like sleek wheel covers, reduced spoke gaps, and tighter hub shapes are the secret weapons in this battle. By disrupting less air, cars use less energy, meaning greater fuel savings for gas vehicles and extended battery life for EVs. This seemingly small improvement can have a big impact on a vehicle's range and emissions footprint. Furthermore, advancements in computational fluid dynamics, CFD, have allowed engineers to simulate airflow around wheels with extreme precision. This helps fine-tune designs before they are ever produced, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. Such simulations help identify areas where turbulence can be reduced further, leading to continuous improvements in aerodynamic wheel technology. Improved downforce. Downforce plays a major role in keeping vehicles stable on the road, especially at high speeds. But what is downforce? Think of it like an invisible hand pushing the car down, giving tires better grip and preventing lift. Without enough downforce, cars can feel light, unstable, or even dangerous while cornering or braking. Aerodynamic wheels help here by shaping the way air flows over and around the car. Some designs even channel air to optimize pressure around the vehicle body, enhancing traction and control. The result? A smoother, safer, and more confident ride. For 2025 cars, this balance of airflow and downforce is critical to meeting higher performance standards without compromising efficiency. Additionally, downforce optimization is especially crucial for sports cars and high-performance vehicles that frequently operate at higher speeds. Engineers are now integrating active aerodynamic features within the wheels themselves, such as deployable wheel covers that adjust based on driving conditions. This adaptive technology allows cars to maintain optimal downforce and minimize drag dynamically. Design features of aerodynamic wheels. When it comes to the next generation of aerodynamic wheels, every detail counts. The design elements don't just enhance efficiency but also contribute to stability and performance. From the way they're shaped to the materials chosen, these wheels are setting new standards for 2025 cars. Wheel shape and size. The shape and size of a wheel directly affect a car's aerodynamics and overall performance. Think of it like a swimmer wearing a streamlined suit. Small changes in shape make all the difference when cutting through resistance. Thin spoke designs. Fewer or thinner spokes reduce drag because there's less surface area for air to push against. Also, tighter hubs help keep airflow smooth around the wheel. Modern designs are increasingly moving towards minimalistic spoke patterns or even spoke-less covers to achieve maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Flat or covered profiles. Wheels with flatter, more enclosed designs minimize air turbulence. For EVs, this feature is especially popular as it helps extend battery range. Advanced flat profiles also enhance the vehicle's visual appeal, giving a futuristic look that complements the modern designs of electric and hybrid vehicles. Optimized sizing. Larger wheels can create more drag, but smaller ones may compromise performance. Designers are now finding the sweet spot to balance size with efficiency. Many automakers are experimenting with modular wheel sizes, allowing drivers to switch between configurations depending on their needs for efficiency or performance. Manufacturers obsess over these tiny details for a good reason. A perfectly optimized wheel shape and size can mean better mileage, reduced energy consumption, and enhanced handling on the road. Material selection. What a wheel is made of impacts more than just its weight. Different materials bring unique benefits, and, in some cases, trade-offs, to aerodynamic wheel construction. Aluminum alloys. Lightweight yet durable, aluminum is a top choice. It reduces unsprung mass, helping cars move efficiently without sacrificing strength. However, aluminum can be pricier than steel. That wraps up Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll dive deeper into how these new wheel designs impact performance and fuel efficiency. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.